welcome. I'm Dr. Kyle Murray from Atlas Brain Spine, and in this video we are going to go over some neck mobility exercises. Maybe you've been told that you have arthritis or arthritic changes within your spine. Maybe you have neck pain or stiffness in the neck. These are going to be really simple but key and effective movements to help to restore the health of your spine and increase to a greater and healthier spine as you go through your life. So let's not waste any time, let's get right to it. Okay, first things first, we're going to turn your head to the right and we're going to turn your head to the left. Go to end range. There's no reason to go past that point. And if you need to support your chest with some hands, go ahead and stabilize yourself here. Then turn to your left and turn to your right. Again, don't go past end range on those motions. You're going to do all of these movements 10 times each on each side for 3 total sets. And this is going to help to aid in stability, aid in function and mobility of that cervical spine. Now, next movement here is going to go straight up and straight down. Again, you're not moving your torso, but just your neck. So that is extension and flexion. Again, you're going to go to your end ranges, 10 reps, 3 sets. From here, we're gonna look to bringing your ear up towards the sky while the other ear comes down toward your shoulder. With this, you wanna keep your shoulders level. So you're not raising your shoulder up, but you're actually bringing your head down. So think of a string tied to your ear and you're pulling that up towards the sky. That's gonna give you a great stretch. So we're gonna go here and up, and same thing on the other side. Good. So again, 10 times, 3 sets. From there, we're going to do just a really nice movement, which is going to be retractions. So we're going to spin here, and you're going to work on retracting your chin backwards. So keep your chin level. You want to go straight forward and straight back. If you make a double chin or a triple chin, that's okay. Once again, forward, back, keeping that chin level as you go through. Again, 10 reps, 3 sets is going to be the best thing for that. Now from here, a really fun exercise is to do left to right. So what I mean by that is just translation of the head. So it's gonna look like this. And with that, you don't wanna move your torso over, but just your head. Now, this is one of my weaker ones, and it's okay if you have a weaker movement, that's fine. You're gonna be building on this, you're gonna get stronger, and you're gonna get better at it as you go through this. So you're gonna do these daily to help to maximize the benefit of the spine, to increase the longevity of the health of the spine, and get that nice neck mobility that everybody's looking for. If you found this video helpful, please take a second to like and subscribe to this channel, because we are helping to get this education content out there, and we need your support. Go ahead and check out our YouTube channel, where we have an entire playlist of this style of content, and you can learn way more. Thank you for watching. We hope you gained some great insight onto what to do for your neck mobility. I'm Dr. Kyle Murray here with Atlas Brain Spine, and God bless you.